Hey there people, I'm Lenny Rudo for Boat US. And you know what? Sometimes accidents happen. Oops. Well, okay, I did that on purpose. But accidents do happen. And twice on my own boat, inflatable life jackets have gone off by accident. When that happens, you'll need to know how to rearm and repack. Step one is to completely deflate the life jacket. Now, that's easier said than done because you need to get every little bit of air out of here or it won't repack properly. Take your time about this and make sure you get all that air out. Now, while I'm working on getting all the air out of here, I want to be very clear about one thing. Every make and model life jacket is a little bit different. What you see me doing here is right for this life jacket, but you need to check your owner's manual and make absolutely sure that you follow all the steps it says too. Now we're going to remove the old CO2 cartridge and get a new one out of the package here and screw it right back into the housing. Now, at the moment, this is showing green, so we know we're armed, but there's also an automatic inflation device. Now, in this particular case, I triggered this off by hand, so it's probably going to be just fine. But if the life jacket goes off because it got wet, you're going to need to remove this bobbin right here and replace it. Here's my new bobbin. Now, when I put it on with this particular life jacket, we want to make sure that the white side is facing up. And remember, check your owner's manual. It may be a little different. All these mechanisms are a little bit different. And then we're ready to slide it in and screw it back in place. There we go, we got green again. That means it's armed. Now I have to put on the little green indicator tab right here on the trigger mechanism. Okay people, ready for the fun part? Now we have to repack it. And in this case, I'm really lucky because this life jacket has directions printed right on it. Now that's not always going to be the case, and some of these are more difficult to repack than others. In this case, I can just line that Velcro up as I fold it over, and we are good to go. We are almost there, folks, almost there. We do want to give a check on the manual inflation cord, make sure it's in the proper position and it's free. And of course, give one final look at the green indicator, make sure that the life jacket is armed and ready to go. Well folks, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and then you won't miss any future Boat US videos. Oops.